Craving something tasty? We've got just the thing. Welcome to Culinary Recipe Creations, your go-to spot for quick, easy, and mouth-watering recipes from around the globe. Discover dishes that are elegant yet affordable. Perfect for any occasion. Ready to whip up something amazing? Subscribe now and join our foodie family. Let's get cooking. I'm sure you've heard the news. Home cooking doesn't have to be hard. In fact, it can be incredibly fun and rewarding. Today we're diving into the world of quick and tasty meal ideas that are perfect for any skill level. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent on the go, or just someone who loves good food, these recipes are designed to make your life easier and your meals more delicious. We all know the feeling of coming home after a long day and not wanting to spend hours in the kitchen, but guess what? You don't have to. With a few simple ingredients and minimal effort, you can whip up something amazing in no time. Today, we'll show you 3 simple recipes that'll save you time and stress. These dishes are not only quick to prepare, but also packed with flavor and nutrition. So let's get started. First up, our one-pan pasta. This dish is a game changer for anyone who loves pasta but hates the cleanup. Imagine tossing everything in one-pan pasta, tomatoes, garlic, basil, and letting it cook together in harmony. The flavors meld beautifully, creating a dish that's both comforting and satisfying. The beauty of this recipe is its simplicity. You don't need to boil the pasta separately or use multiple pots and pans. Just throw everything into one pan, add some water or broth and let it simmer. In about 15-20 minutes, you'll have a delicious meal ready to serve. Plus, the cleanup is a breeze since you only have one pan to wash. It's quick, it's easy, and the cleanup, barely existent. This makes it perfect for those busy weeknights when you want something tasty without the hassle. Next, let's talk about our sheet pan salmon. This recipe is a fantastic way to enjoy a healthy, flavorful meal with minimal effort. Lay down some fresh salmon fillets, sprinkle on your favorite seasonings, and add some lemon slices for that zesty kick. The combination of the juicy salmon and the bright, tangy lemon is simply irresistible. You can also add some fresh herbs like dill or parsley to enhance the flavors even more. Once everything is prepped, just pop it in the oven. In about 20 minutes, you've got a healthy, mouth-watering meal that's perfect for any night of the week. The salmon comes out tender and flaky with a beautiful golden crust. Serve it with a side of roasted vegetables or a simple salad, and you've got a complete meal that's sure to impress. Finally, the unsung hero roasted vegetables. These are a staple in any kitchen because they're so versatile and easy to make. Chop up your favorites, toss them in olive oil, salt and pepper, and roast until they're golden and crispy. The key to perfect roasted vegetables is to make sure they're evenly coated in oil and spread out in a single layer on the baking sheet. This ensures they cook evenly and get that delicious caramelization. You can use any vegetables you like. Carrots, potatoes, bell peppers, zucchini, the possibilities are endless. These veggies are perfect as a side or even as a main dish. They're packed with nutrients and full of flavor, making them a great addition to any meal. Plus, they're a fantastic way to use up any leftover vegetables you have in the fridge. So, whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, these recipes are here to make your life easier and tastier. Cooking at home doesn't have to be a chore. It can be a fun and creative process that brings joy and satisfaction. Hit that like button, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and comment below on which dish you're excited to try. Let's get cooking. Remember, the kitchen is your playground, and with these recipes, you're sure to create something amazing. Happy cooking! This is gonna blow your mind. Don't miss out on the next yummy recipe. Hungry for more? Hit that subscribe button and join our Culinary Recipe Creations family. We've got an endless menu of delectable and delicious recipes just waiting for you. From appetizers to desserts, there's something for every foodie. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and let's get cooking.